Knowing the right words to choose is important when writing to readers. So, level of formality that we chose was moderately formal. We want them to know that this lead in Cleveland affects us, but we also want to sound serious as well. So a certain amount of emotion mixed with facts is important. We want to remain clear and specific in our sentences, and we want our facts and figures accurate so that the audience won't get lost. We want to remain concise and only give them exactly what they need to know. And we also want our information to be inoffensive, so stay away from prejudices such as gender, spirituality, religion, and things of that nature.